Hajj package. Maybe he's a millionaire, maybe he's got enough money. Hajj package, then 5-star Hajj package, A camp, B camp, this camp, that camp. For years we'll save up. For years we'll be prepared to spend. Put the money one side for a 5-day or a 5-week or 6-week Hajj package. Every day at the time of Fajr, that azan that is being called out by the qasam of my Allah is a call to Hajj. It's a call to Hajj without any package. You don't have to dig into your financial reserves. You don't have to get accreditation also. Make your Fajr Salah with Jamaat now in Jummah. The safs are running right till the back of the masjid. Tomorrow come and cry tears of blood in the same masjid. 3 or 4 safs you'll find. Where is the rest of the ummah? Where is the rest of the ummah till 1, 2 o'clock in the morning? What were we doing? We couldn't wake up to come to the masjid for Fajr. My Nabi said, make your Fajr Salah with Jamaat. ثُمَّ جَلَسَ فِي مُصَلَّاهُ. And then after the Imam makes salam, don't start running. Don't feel that the get out of jail card has come. Some alarm, some fire went off. No, sit in the masjid. Sit in the masjid. Give your time to the masjid. He says, a man who makes his Fajr Salah with Jamaat and then remains in the masjid till the sun rises, till the time of Ishraq. What is 2 spear lengths? 15 minutes plus minus after sunrise. ثُمَّ صَلَّى رَكَعَتَيْنِ. Then he makes 2 rakat salah. 2 rakat salah. كَانَ لَهُ مِثْلُ أَجْرِ حَجَّةٍ وَعُمْرَةٍ تَامَّةٍ. My Nabi said, for that one Fajr Salah that you sat in the masjid till the time of Ishraq and made 2 rakats of Salah, you engaged in amal in the masjid, zikrullah, whatever it is, whether it was tablighi, mashwara, whatever amal of deen, you engaged in the masjid till the time of Ishraq and read 2 rakat Salah, Allah will reward you as if you made 1 Hajj and 1 Umrah. Not once in a lifetime, not once in a year, not with accreditation, every day. And so that you don't doubt about it, my Nabi 3 times reiterated. He said, Tamma, Tamma, Tamma. Complete Hajj and Umrah. Complete Hajj and Umrah. Complete Hajj and Umrah every day. Even further, Man tatahhara fi baytihi thumma kharaja ila al-masjid li'adai salatin maktuba kana lahu mithlu ajri hajjil muhrim. My Nabi said, a man who makes his wudu at home, thereafter he comes to the masjid to make his farz salah with Jamaat. How many times a day? 5 times a day. 5 times a day. Make your wuzu at home. Come to the masjid to make your farz salah with Jamaat. In the eyes of Allah and His Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam, look at the analogy Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam gives. He says, فَأَجْرُهُ مِثْلُ أَجْرِ حَاجِّ الْمُحْرِمِ. Allah will reward him as if he tied the ihram in his house and proceeded for Hajj. The wudu you made at home to come and make your farz salah with Jamaat in the masjid, it is as if you tied the ihram of Hajj. Such opportunities we are being given. Such opportunities we are being given. The hadith I mentioned in the beginning. Man ghada ila al-masjid la yuridu illa ay yata'allama khayran aw yu'allimahu. Allahu Akbar. My Nabi said a man went to the masjid for what? Today's terms for ta'aleem, the halaqah of ta'aleem. To learn, to acquire the knowledge of Deen. What our elders are saying, give 2.5 hours every day. Give some time daily to the masjid to learn. Yata'allama khayran, to learn, or yu'allimahu, or to teach Deen. To impart the knowledge of Deen. To impart the knowledge of Deen, learn something or teach something. My Nabi said, a man left his home to go to the masjid, no other intention except to learn or teach Deen. What will Allah give him? How many times do we have this opportunity? Every day. What does my Nabi say? Kana lahu ka ajri hajj. Allah will give him the reward of a haji. Allah will give him the reward of a haji. And then my Nabi does not stop there. He says, Tamman hajjatuhu. complete combined Hajj. The greatest reward any Haji can get. In other words, everything was fulfilled correctly. Like that, Allah will give you the reward every time you come to the masjid to learn or teach Deen.